So let's take a look at packet tracer activity 5313. Now for this one, it's an identification. So I'm going to show you real quick how to do what they're asking you to do. And they give you a pretty good example. We'll just walk through it real quick. So step one, we're going to look at information on the packet, and then they are going to give you a suggested documentation format. And then they're going to have you do it again and give you a bunch of reflection questions. So we're just going to go through step one here, and the rest of this is going to be up to you. So we are going to 172.16.31.2 is this device right here. And we're going to go to simulation mode. Let me close this real quick. We're going to go to simulation mode in order to do this. So I'm going to click on 172.31.1.2 and we are going to ping 10.10.10.3. So I'm going to go to my desktop, command prompt, ping 10.10.10.3. And remember, when you do this in Packet Tracer in simulation mode, do not close this window, minimize it. And so here we can see our little device, or our little packet. So I'm going to click on it, and it's going to show me my information for this PDU at layer 3, layer 2, layer 1. So at the moment I have a packet and I have a source IP address and a destination IP address, ICMP type message 8. At layer 2 I don't have anything yet. So let me advance this by one step, and that's going to be this one here. And now I can click on it again either here or I can click on it here, either way. So here I have layer 2, and this is going to be an ARP broadcast. Let me just check and make sure. Yeah, they didn't ask us to filter that. So this is going to be an ARP message, and if I want to look at my outbound PDU details, here's going to be my ICMP, here's going to be my IP, and here's going to be my Ethernet, including destination frame or destination address and source address. And then I'm going to advance it one more time, and I'm going to see it go to the hub. And then I'm going to advance it one more time and see it spread out from the hub. And then I'm going to advance it. Now right here it's been rejected. That's what this little red X means. And that's because it was an ARP broadcast for a destination 10.10.10.3. And then we'll advance it and we can just watch it go from here. So here is our actual ICMP ping. It was actually not our ICMP ping. That is an ICMP message. Just go ahead and just play this forward a little bit. And now it crosses over here. Let's take a look at it over here. And we can see our inbound and our outbound messages. Here's our IP header, our ICMP, and this actually is the ping that I wanted. So what it's doing is it's having you check the simulation mode and repeat this ping and click at the PDU, notice the source and destination MAC address, source and destination IP address. And you can do this at device by device. If you click on the PDU details, it's going to give you pretty much everything you need. So here is my source and destination IP address. Here is my source and destination MAC address. And then I can just document this at device by device, device per device as it goes through the network. So what they're suggesting that you do is you capture forward as you do each one of these different techniques, different communications. Watch it go step by step, and at each one document the source and destination MAC addresses and IP addresses. And when it crosses the router, remember the frame is going to be destroyed, and we're going to build a new frame for the next section, so the source and destination MAC addresses will change. So you can go ahead and go through from this point on your own. Gather the information from all these different pings, and then some reflection questions for you to think about as you see the interplay between the source and destination MAC and the source and destination IP addresses.